Okay, continuation. So I actually forgot that to show you how to add the gallery to the product page. So I'm gonna show you right now. So all you do is like you go to the property like this one, click on edit, and to add a gallery, if you can see right here, we got gallery images right here that you have nothing. So all you have to do is, let me just show you how to do this, but date. So you scroll down and you go to the gallery. You got nothing right here. You click add media, and when you click on media, create gallery. Click on create gallery. Then here again, you can drag and drop from your computer, or you can select multiple images. As you can see, every time I select one, there's like check mark right there. And then I'm gonna click that one too. And then as soon as you click create a new gallery, insert new gallery, it's gonna show you the images in here. You click update, and you're done. The gallery is activated. So you come to the back panel, to the front end, you go to that particular page, click on the gallery, and here are your gallery. If you click on one image, it automatically pops up in a new window, previous and next, and end of the story. So then again, continue with the next section, which is, we already discussed the laundromat for sale, parts in the store. Now let's discuss about one important section of your site, which is the blog and the FAQs, which is right here. And I think I was showing you how to update your menu. So one by one. So I'm gonna go to the menu. So you go to the appearance menu. As you know, you have multiple pages, multiple sites. So if you want to add a new page to the menu, let's say this is the about menu, which is this one right here. This is the about menu right here. So if you want to change any of these pages, all you have to do is either select it right here, test from the most recent pages. You can, when you do that, click add menu. It comes to the bottom of this navigation. You can drag and drop a position wherever you want it. So again, we have already about, so I'm just gonna remove that one. You have this about menu right here. When you're done, click save the menu. And now if you hit refresh onto your page, now the about the company, which is this menu, have the test 2014, which is the page that I just created for testing purposes. Let's say you don't want that anymore, so you go to the appearance menus, click here and just delete that one, and then don't forget to save it, and your navigation is set. Next section is the FAQs. When you come here to the FAQs, we have the question and answers. So you go to FAQ section on the left hand side, click on FAQs, and just create it, add a new questions or edit, whatever you want to do. I'm going to add a new one, and then here I'm going to go testing. Here again is the name of the question, and the answer is blah 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 blah. So when I'm done with that, click publish, and again just remember the latest post that you put will be on the top. So if I hit refresh, that was going to be right here, the testing here again. You click on open, and here's the answer. One more thing that I did forget to mention is like your products. When you come to your products, if we go to categories, you have the ability of rearrange the order of the products. So if I want to go to the ADC, which is 118, it's a small number. Let's say, actually, I'm going to go to dryers because it's a small number. Click on the dryers, and then I can just easily just go ahead and just drag this one to the top. You see a cross mark once you in this area. Just drag it to the top, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So now if we go to the dryers, which is part of the equipment, you see that if I go to dryers, now I'll have that one on top, the one that I just moved, which is this one. So this the product section that I forgot to mention was the for the equipment you have two categories, which is the dryers and what is the other one? Dryers and washers right here. So if you want to add or edit one of these, you just click on this number from the category menu, and then make sure that when you click here, there's only one difference between this and the other products, and the only difference is you have no price. So if you don't put any price on it, this is going to display in this fashion when it says read more. And then here, one thing that is mentioned, I need to mention, is like this download brochure or request information. What I suggest you to do is just copy the code, this one, and paste it into the new washer or dryer, and change the URL for the PDF. As you can see, these PDFs that I uploaded are in your server. So this is exactly the link to the server, like it's in the content, WordPress content, and it's in the folder uploads, 2016, month 10, and the name of the file is this one. So all this is the path, the URL to where the PDF is. And then here's the download brochure, and then there's the request information that actually goes to the contact page. I think lastly, one thing that I need to show you is the forms. So the forms they are really super simple. All you need to know about forms is you have an inquiry line or contact form. You click on edit, and then you can drag and drop your fields here. It's like, for instance, I have name, email, I got phone number, I got messages. So you can actually have any new field. For instance, if you want to have let's say multi-selection of text, you just click there and immediately appears into the box. So that's all you need to do. So here's the box. So you click on this arrow right here, and then you just change whatever the name of the field is, like test. And then when you are done, just click update form. Obviously you don't want this form field, so I'm just gonna delete it. Yes, delete that. And then last thing you need to know is most important is once we go live, you click on settings and you click on notifications, and here is where you put the email of the person that you wanted the email to be sent. So you click on admin notification, then here the name of the form is going to be, hey, this is the inquiry online for a lead form. I've changed that once we go live, and it's going to be sent to, right now it's going to be to the administration, which is me, administrator. So here's when you put the emails of the person. Remove that and put the emails of the person you want this to be sent. Example, I can do that for one email, then comma, and then the next email, and comma, so you can have multiple emails on that in that form. When you're done with that, please don't forget to click update notifications, and that is it. So you know the FAQs. Last thing I need to show you is the post, which is the blog. The blog is really important for you to know. That is a solid part of your site for your SEO. So the blog works in exactly the same fashion. You click add new, you put the title, you put all the content you want right here, including pictures, and then when you're done, make sure that you add feature image. In this case, I'm going to use Adam. He's blogging right now, so that Adam is the feature image, and click publish. The minute you do that, actually I suggest to do that once a week. Put a new blog related to SEO, and then here again is going to be the latest one right here. If you don't want this to be the latest ones, remember you have the ability to organize this by dragging and dropping. So this one, hello world, is going to be my first one, and just like that, you got the hello world on top of Adam. Well, supposed to work. So that is pretty much it right now. So if I know you will have more questions, when you do, please feel free to contact me with any details. I'll shoot you another video with a thick accent and trying to explain how this works, or I'll give you on the phone with you and we get it done. Thank you.